Hi everyone, my name is Ankita and I hope you all are doing well. I wanted to make this sit down video from quite long time. Today, after a lot of procrastinating, today I decided to sit down and record this video. From quite few days or weeks, you can say, I was not feeling myself. I was unusually low at my energy, both mentally and physically. Making videos is my passion, is my hobby as well, but I want to make it a side hustle for me as well. I have a mainstream job, but I do not want to rely on only one source of income in my life. I want the multiple source of income such that if anything fails or anything goes wrong, God forbid, if anything goes wrong, I have some other options as well. I want to open my option in content creation. I have been creating content from few months, you can say, but I have not been so serious about it or so dedicated about it. I have learned this from myself, from my life, whatever I have lived till now, that if you're not serious about something, you're not going to get the results you want. The results you need will only be achieved once you are serious about something what you're doing. Like in my college days as well, I used to study for hours. I have reaped the results as well. Input you put in, only based on that you're going to get the output, right? I was good at maths, so I used to practice it a lot. If I have come from college, I'll not eat anything and I'll just revise whatever the teacher has told me, and will revise the concepts, we'll read out the books, we'll read out the concepts, we'll see the videos. उस समय तो उतने videos भी नहीं होते थे जब मेरी बीटेक हुई थी, तो जो भी sources होते थे, I used to refer that and used to take that as reference, and उसको मैं practice करती थी, जिसकी वजह से I was good at maths. I was not by birth good at maths, but I practiced it. Actually, one scenario I'd like to share. I was not good at maths from initial days because I have failed badly in maths itself in my lower classes. You can say fourth or fifth class. I could not even think of the mensuration and all. ये मेरे दिमाग में ही नहीं जाता था कि whatever, what is happening, what is centimeter square, why it is meter square, somewhere it is in meter, somewhere it is in centimeter square. So I could not get it, the basic thing. But by the time I practiced it and I mastered maths like pro, like if you watch my mathematics course, they are tremendously good and I'm very much satisfied with it because only 2 or 3 marks are lesser than the full marks. I'm not boasting about it, but yes, in the content creation field, what I'm doing is I'm lazy enough, I'm procrastinating making videos. Actually, I know why I'm procrastinating. I have been working very hard, like from office to home to households to my studies. I am into some studies as well because if you're an engineer or doctor or advocate, you need to study throughout your life. I have been studying for hours and I've not been taking care of myself. I'm not eating properly. If someone you love is in pain, sometimes you pray that pain should be in you and you should be suffering with that pain and not them. Anywhere it is not going to benefit them and neither you. You will always be deteriorating your health by thinking about it like that. Okay, I have now stopped overthinking. Whatever is going to happen will happen. I have accepted the fact and will move forward. I want to be honest while making my video because if I want to make it a side hustle, I need to be serious about it, because if I'm not serious, somewhere else someone else is doing great and they are serious about it, then why would YouTube push me? Why would algorithms or YouTube will push my videos to watch, will recommend this to other people? Because I'm not serious enough. Someone else is taking so seriously. I watch videos and sometimes I go through this analysis paralysis as well. I research so much, my mind gets paralyzed and I stop thinking. Whatever the crude idea or whatever the original idea was with me is nowhere now in my mind, because I have so much analyzed. I have watched so many videos that my original ideas get vanished. So I'm not going to do it. This video has become quite a long now. I'm not recording anything and everything that's happening in my life. No, I'm just putting out some part of my life that can motivate, that are the happy moments and that are also motivating for you all. I do not want to put out any sad story. In my channel, I just want the happy moments, the crazy moments, best moments of my life. If you like this, please subscribe to my channel, like this video, share it with your friends if you feel so. And thank you for watching. Bye. See you in the next one.